Well, grab a cup of coffee and grab your Bibles and turn to Psalm 39. Psalm 39 reminds us that life is short, a breath, a shadow, a vapor. David says this in Psalm 39, Lord, make me know my end. Let me know how fleeting I am. We chase after success, followers, comfort, money, power, but in the end, all that really matters is the condition of your soul. So today, slow down, breathe, live like the moments really matter because they do. Your time is brief, but your impact for God can echo throughout all eternity. This is Jesus Coffee.